Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Here you can find help in starting and creating a garden for your home. Today we journey into the remarkable world of hardy flowering plants, a testament to nature's resilience and beauty, even in the face of harsh northern winters. This is your guide to cultivating a garden that thrives throughout the year, transforming your outdoor space into a haven of color and life, no matter the season. So, whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting, join us as we uncover the secrets of these winter warriors. Our first encounter brings us face to face with the Winter Jasmine, a plant whose very name evokes a sense of warmth against the cold. Originating from the mountainous regions of China, this resilient shrub has adapted to thrive in conditions that would send other plants into a dormant slumber. Imagine, if you will, a canvas of pristine white snow, the silence of winter reigning supreme, and then a splash of color emerges, a vibrant yellow, a beacon of life in the depths of winter. This, my friends, is the magic of the Winter Jasmine. Its delicate star-shaped flowers, often appearing before the leaves, bring a burst of sunshine to the often monochromatic winter landscape. But the Winter Jasmine is not merely a feast for the eyes. Its subtle fragrance carried on the crisp winter air is a reminder that even in the coldest months, nature has its own way of enchanting us. For those seeking to welcome this hardy marvel into their gardens, the process is relatively straightforward. Winter jasmine thrives in well-drained soil and prefers a position that basks in the sun's embrace, although it can tolerate partial shade. Its long, trailing branches, often reaching lengths of up to 13 feet, are best trained against walls or fences, creating a cascade of golden blooms that will transform even the most unassuming garden into a winter wonderland. As winter begins its slow retreat, and the first hints of spring dance upon the horizon, we encounter another marvel of the plant world, the snowdrop. These delicate, bell-shaped flowers, often pushing through a blanket of snow, are a symbol of hope, a reminder that even in the darkest of times, brighter days lie ahead. Originating from the forests and meadows of Europe and Asia Minor, snowdrops have long been associated with new beginnings, their emergence from the cold earth mirroring the awakening of nature after its winter slumber. Their pristine white blooms, often tinged with delicate green markings, are a testament to the beauty that can arise from even the harshest of environments. While they may appear fragile, snowdrops are surprisingly resilient. Their bulbs, planted in the autumn, lie dormant beneath the soil, gathering strength for their grand entrance in late winter or early spring. They prefer a cool, shaded location, often thriving under the canopy of deciduous trees, where they can enjoy the dappled sunlight that filters through the branches. For those seeking to invite these heralds of spring into their gardens, planting them in large drifts creates a truly breathtaking display. Imagine, if you will, a carpet of pure white, stretching out beneath the bare branches of trees, a beacon of hope and a promise of warmer days to come. Meet the Hellebore, also known as the Christmas rose, a plant that blooms in winter, defying the season's harshness. Originating from Europe's mountains, it thrives in challenging conditions. Imagine a snowy Christmas morning, with hellebores adding magic to the landscape. Its blooms are sepals, not petals, in various hues. These sepals come in a variety of hues, from pristine white to deep plum, often adorned with intricate veins and markings that add to their allure. This resilient plant is low maintenance, thriving in shade and varied soils. Once established, it rewards gardeners with charming blooms yearly. For winter magic, plant hellebores with ferns and hostas. As we journey deeper into the world of winter hardy plants, we encounter a true marvel of adaptation, a plant that seems to defy the very essence of cold with its fiery display, the witch hazel. Imagine, if you will, a crisp winter day, the air filled with the scent of wood smoke and fallen leaves. And then, a burst of color catches your eye, the vibrant yellows, oranges and reds of the witch hazel, its spidery flowers adding a touch of warmth to the otherwise muted landscape. Native to North America and Asia, the witch hazel is a deciduous shrub or small tree, known for its unusual blooming season. While most plants are dormant during the winter months, the witch hazel chooses this time to put on its show, its fragrant flowers adding a touch of cheer to the often bleak winter landscape. But the witch hazel's appeal goes beyond its aesthetic beauty. This remarkable plant has a long history of medicinal use, with its bark and leaves used to treat a variety of ailments. Its extract is a common ingredient in skincare products, known for its astringent and anti-inflammatory properties. For those seeking a plant that offers both visual interest and practical benefits, the witch hazel is an excellent choice. Its vibrant flowers and unique blooming time make it a standout addition to any garden, while its medicinal properties add another layer of appeal. As winter's grip begins to loosen and the promise of spring hangs heavy in the air, we turn our attention to a plant that embodies the very essence of resilience and renewal, the Siberian iris. Originating from the grasslands and meadows of Siberia, this hardy perennial has evolved to withstand the harshest of winters, its roots lying dormant beneath the frozen ground, patiently awaiting the warmth of spring to awaken them from their slumber. And awaken they do, with a vibrant display of color that belies the harsh conditions they have endured. The Siberian iris's flowers, ranging in hue from deep purples and blues to sunny yellows and whites, rise on tall, slender stems above clumps of narrow, sword-like leaves. But the Siberian iris's beauty is not merely fleeting. These hardy perennials are relatively low maintenance, thriving in a variety of soil types and light conditions. Once established, they form large clumps, providing years of vibrant color with minimal care. For those seeking a plant that heralds the arrival of spring with a flourish, the Siberian iris is an ideal choice. Plant them alongside other early blooming perennials, such as peonies and bleeding hearts, to create a symphony of color that celebrates the end of winter and the promise of warmer days to come. We've explored a selection of nature's hardiest creations, each one a testament to the beauty and resilience of the natural world. These plants offer a chance to transform your garden into a year-round haven, proving that even winter's chill can't diminish nature's artistry. Remember, gardening is a journey of discovery and learning. So don't be afraid to experiment, to get your hands dirty, and to find joy in the process of nurturing these hardy plants. Tell us what you think in the comments, and like and subscribe. Happy gardening!